So let's reset the computer to update our oil changes in the maintenance schedule. So we were a bit early last time. We changed the oil at 16,000 miles and we are just under 20 right now. We're at 19,855, so almost 20,000. And we still had technically 1,100 miles left on our oil changes, but we're gonna go ahead and reset this. Boom, for 5,000 miles. And then as far as the date goes, we can always go in and say 1 year from now, so that's perfect. November 17th of 24 is when we changed it, and then it'll remind us next year. So typically I do it once to twice a year with the oil changes, and we're gonna rotate tires today also. So once I'll get that done, I will reset this too. All right, thanks for watching, guys. This was the 5th oil change for this Outlander. Thanks for watching. We'll have many more projects on the channel, and I have a new dream car in my garage, so stay tuned and I will share that video with you shortly.